During a Hyperledger Fabric transaction, how should a client application retrieve the specific, readable error feedback from individual endorsing peers if the endorsement process fails? Option A, by parsing the log files generated on the endorsing peer nodes. Option B, by inspecting the wrapped error or the cause attribute of the returned exception. Option C, by checking the gRPC status code returned by the network connection. Option D, by retrieving general error details from the returned response object.
Let's consider what this question is asking. In a blockchain network built with Hyperledger Fabric, client applications submit transaction proposals to endorsing peers for execution and endorsement. Sometimes this process can fail due to smart contract errors or validation issues. The question focuses on how a developer using a client application can programmatically access the exact, detailed error messages generated by each individual peer, rather than just getting a generic failure notice. When it comes to the solution, in my view, the correct answer is option B. When a transaction fails to reach endorsement, the Hyperledger Fabric SDKs throw an error object that encapsulates the failed responses. By inspecting the cause or the associated error properties within the main SDK error, the developer can access the specific response objects containing the descriptive error messages generated by each peer. Let us look at why the other options are not ideal. Option A is incorrect because client applications are meant to handle errors programmatically via SDK interfaces, rather than by manually parsing raw server logs. Option C is incorrect because gRPC status codes are generic network-level codes and do not contain the specific smart contract-level error message provided by the peer. Finally, option D is too vague to describe the specific mechanism used to navigate the SDK's error objects.